All right, moving on now, the Congress will boycott the all-party meet called by Raman Singh government in Chhattisgarh today, calling it a face-saving gimmick by the BJP government. Raman Singh has said that it is a critical meeting and will happen whether or not anyone attends or boycotts it.
Despite the Congress announcing that they will be boycotting and in fact oppose the all-party meeting, that meeting is expected to take place at the State Secretariat about 25 kilometers from Raipur town in Naya Raipur at 11 this morning. Chief Minister Raman Singh saying that that's a very critical meeting and whether or not anyone boycotts or attends, he is going to go ahead with trying to find out what the way forward should be in tackling the Naxal issue here in the state. So even as all this is happening, ugly exchanges in fact happening between the Congress and the BJP leaders here on the ground, with elections hardly about 5 months away. That is not totally unexpected. The Congress leaders alleging that this is a political conspiracy and are pointing fingers at a deliberate, what they call a let-up in security, the deliberate negligence of the security of the Congress leaders and leading to this kind of a massacre. The BJP on its part pointing fingers at internal troubles within the Congress. So it's getting quite ugly and bitter, the battle here on the ground. Both the BJP and the Congress face quite huge challenges. For the Raman Singh government, the agenda has changed from showcasing his development schemes and his achievements to saying how he is going to tackle this Maoist issue and how they had failed. So there is a damage control exercise that the BJP has to indulge in for the Congress, with having lost big leaders. The leadership has been lost. So the PCC leadership, who will take on the mantle of the PCC leadership here and who will be able to lead it forward, that is a big question for the Congress. On the ground, what we understand is that no ground operations, no combing operations happening as of now. What security forces are telling us is that too risky for them after such an operation immediately afterwards to go into combing, and without specific intelligence doesn't really make much sense. Even as we are talking this, a Salva Judum leader was killed yesterday by the Maoists, and 3 Maoists in fact were arrested by the Bijapur police there. Election Commission also expressing its concerns about normalizing of the situation at the earlier, so that the election process can really go on.